Welcome to I Am Kids Rian YouTube channel.
Welcome to you all in my new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can gain or you can get your already existing number or lost number or a broken number again. If you lost, then first of all you need to buy a new SIM card and then you can put it inside the mobile phone, or you can go through other mobile phone as well. If you are using Leica mobile, then you need to call 1632. But if you are using other mobile phone, other mobile operator, then you need to call 265 001 632. And if you are going to change your existing number from abroad, then you need to call plus 351 92 1632, or you can email to the Leica mobile customer center, that is cs@leicamobile.pt, or you can go to the website of the Leica mobile, www.leicamobile.pt. then you can process from there as well. But here I am going to tell you how you can change your new number into the existing number, or how you will get your old number if you lost, if you break, or if you damaged your previous SIM card. So for that, here I have the instructions how you can do from new Leica mobile SIM card. First of all, you buy one Leica mobile SIM card and then you put that SIM into your mobile phone and you can call to 1632. And then at the beginning, sometimes you will get the preferred language, whether you want to talk in English or Portuguese. And most of the cases, you may not get that options at the beginning. So if you get the instruction in English, then it will be easier for you. But if you don't get that in English, then it may be a little bit difficult if you are new in Portugal. So if you are dialing 1632, then there will be 6 different options for you. First, it will tell press 1 if you want to recharge your mobile phone, or you want to get any information about recharge, then you need to press 1. Then you have to press 2 if you want to know about your balance in your mobile phone, or if you have any plan included, any packages included, then you can press 2 to know about the balance in the plans. And if you want to register your SIM card, your detail, if you want to register in Leica mobile, then you need to press 3. And if you have any problem related with the Leica mobile or mobile number, then you can press 4 to report a problem. And then you can press 5 to know about the different offers and promotions from the Leica mobile. And there is a last option, that is others, that is 6. And to change your number, you need to press 6. After pressing 6, then there will be 4 different options. Then the first number will tell you press 1 if you want to transfer your number. That's what we are going to do here. And there is second number that will tell you if you want to inform Leica mobile that your mobile or your SIM card is stolen or lost or damaged, then you can call them and then you can tell them what to do. The assistant will pick up the phone. Now to transfer your mobile number, you can directly press 1 and the assistant will pick up your phone. The waiting time may be different. Sometimes it will take more time, sometimes it will be very soon, but you need to stay. And then when the assistant takes your call, then they will ask you what happened to you, and then you need to say what happened with your mobile phone. And then they will ask, do you have a new number? They will ask for the new SIM card PUC number, that is here. And then they will ask for the serial number, that is in below line numbers. They will ask for this, but before doing this, they will ask for your first name and last name. And then when did you recharge your mobile phone last time? Which number is frequently called number? Your birthday, something like this. Or simple questions they will ask about you and yourself. So you have to give correct answer for the security purpose. And then after verifying your information, they will ask for this book and the serial number here. After telling that, then they will tell you that within 2 days your number will be changed into the previous one. For example, I'm using this SIM card because my previous SIM card is broken, and then I'm using this SIM card like a mobile SIM card, and then I called through this number. So the number which I have right now will be converted into the existing number, the old number, within 2 days. So after 2 days I will have a previously existing number or old number with my SIM card. In this way we can change SIM card numbers. I hope it will help you how to change your new number into old number. Thank you.
Please like, comment, share and subscribe the channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.